Hi there again, everyone. Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have another Dollar Tree DIY for you. It's getting close to springtime, so I figured maybe another addition to our home decor. So I'm thinking updating our kitchen as well as maybe spilling it over to our family room. Farmhouse style is becoming so popular. I'm not about to change my style to farmhouse, although I want to put a little bit more of it in our kitchen. My style is more eclectic, and for farmhouse style to work in it, I have to make sure that it also blends well with the existing decor that I have. I purchased this 5x7 from the Dollar Tree, and what I like about this one is it already comes in the color that would work well in our home decor. It's kind of grayish blue in color, and so I purchased 4. And then I also have this. When I saw this from the Dollar Tree, I said, okay, this is really farmhouse style. So it says here, home sweet home. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I am just removing the backing or the matting and also the backing of the frame. And along with that, because this one would have been perfect to kind of secure the glass, but you could still see it from underneath because they're protruding, they're longer. Okay, so I have to remove that with a plier. Just actually remove the glass already. Be careful not to break the glass because this is important in this DIY. So the quality of some of the frames are not that durable, so just be very, very careful. And I am just going to be dabbing a bit of glue here, making sure that I stay inside the frame so it's not showing. So I'll be going in here and in here as well, you know, put that in the corner, and then later on I'm going to be adding more to secure it. Okay. And then very carefully place this back. Okay. And I also dab some glue here after I set it in, just to make sure it's secured. You can use E6000 also if you want. Okay, now that they have all of the backings have been removed and I have hot glued all the glass is back. So this is how it should look like. And I'll be cleaning this up. You know, there's just some cobwebs from the glue. I can just remove that later because I still need some more glue. So to connect them together, because it's the look I'm trying to accomplish here is just like it's a window pane kind of look, and that's why I am trying to connect all these 4 together. So yeah, something like that. Okay, now before I glue them, because I cannot glue them here and it'll just show from the outside, so I'm going to be using these things that I remove from the inner backing from the backing of the frame. I am just going to be kind of using them as fasteners. Okay, so it's not flat, so because I've been pulling it and I bent some of them, so I'll just kind of flatten them with my pliers and then applying glue here. Let me see first if this is gonna work out. I'm gonna use, even if I use all of them to fasten them all, I'll do that. Okay. Okay, let me just show you where it doesn't have to be very attractive at the back. It will not show up could be just put generous amount of glue. Especially here in the intersection here. Make it stronger. Probably that's an even better idea to have it rectangular. So the word home, let's see here, this way, home, home, sweet, and then home. Here, home sweet home. And I'll put the flowers there, the leaves. Amazing. Okay. Now because our wall is creamy white, so this would work well there. Okay. Okay, so to hang this, I have this as a spare part because if you have been following me here on my channel, you probably had seen one of my DIYs where I used the black wire basket that the Dollar Tree sells, and I created a lantern for fall. You know, I even have some pumpkin inside and the LED flameless candle. And since I put two together, I only needed one as a handle and I removed the other. So I've always been keeping the things that I have. I don't throw them away. So I figured this will be good as hanger here. Now, if you don't have this, and you don't really have to buy the basket and just remove the top, although you can do that and use the basket itself to probably put some flowers in. But I think this one, you can either use some chains or even the rope. The Dollar Tree sells those jute, you know. What else? Some ribbons, the burlap ribbons. You can use the burlap as well. Or if you can still salvage the hook that this one came in, you can put this, because there are two in each, and there's, you know, like remove four of this backing altogether. So you can use this and then probably apply it there, and then just try to accurately probably hang them on the wall. But I kind of like this as an add-on for my sign or my plaque. So I'm just going to be putting it here, making sure it's centered. 6000 is called Janelida E6000. It's the same type of strong bond glue that you see that's being sold at your craft store like Joann's or Michael's, or even online at Amazon. What I like about this one is that it has this seal here, and then you can use this for smaller application. Now, because it takes them a while to dry up, I'm going to be using hot glue and then apply this as well. Or again, it's optional, whatever you want to do. It's, you know, it's all up to you. So just want to make sure it's so centered. Okay, so I'm just trying to use card, kind of remove the bubbles. And make sure that it lays flat. So here it is, everybody, the final product. I am so happy at how it turned out, and it only cost me $5 because the hanger that I use is free. And I must say, I am so delighted. This is the first time I've done something like this. I'm happy that the Dollar Tree sells these frames that are already painted in the color that I use predominantly in decorating our home. So, like I said earlier, I'm not really going to be converting into farmhouse style, but I kind of want to use or incorporate the style in our home. And the best place for farmhouse style in our home is the kitchen and the family room. So this is in one of the walls of our kitchen. As you can see on the left is our kitchen cabinet, and I'm really loving this. So I hope I inspired you to do the same, and it's not going to cost you a lot because, as you know, the farmhouse home decors that you can buy out there, they can be very expensive. Even in discount shops like TJ Maxx or Marshall's, Ross, and Home Goods, they're still pretty expensive. So yeah, even Hobby Lobby. But if you can find the items either at the Dollar Tree or even at the 99 cents only store, go for it. Use your imagination. I'm so happy that they're carrying these products, and I'm loving it. Now this plant here, this faux plant, there are 3 sets of galvanized pots here that came on a tray, and I got that from the 99 cents only store, and I used only 3 sprigs of the purple lavender flowers. Those lavender flowers came from the Dollar Tree, and they came already wrapped in burlap. I just added moss, and I've added some white flowers so that they will be a little fuller. So yeah, so that's just a simple DIY there. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. And please leave me some comments down below. Share this video. It will help my channel and community grow. And also, hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day. And talk to you again in my next video. Bye-bye.